Hi friends!
Petty Harbour, Maddox Cove is a picturesque town and historic fishing village on the eastern shore of the Avalon Peninsula in Newfoundland and Labrador. Nestled deep in the heart of Motion Bay, it's just 10 kilometers south of St. John's. Petty Harbour, Maddox Cove has a rich history. The site has been continuously occupied since at least 1598, and the present town is about 200 years old. During King William's War, French forces raided the village in the Avalon Peninsula campaign. The name, Petty Harbour, comes from the French, petit havre, which means small harbour, as it was first settled by French colonists. Known for its stunning scenery, historic buildings, and vibrant fishing industry, Petty Harbour, Maddox Cove is a place full of charm and history.
Thanks for watching!